Ceramic tubs are hard work. They require some soaking and some elbow grease. You can use a mix of water, ammonia, and baking soda and scrub with a sponge. The benefit to our York Sash tubs and showers is that there's virtually no maintenance. After use, you can do a water rinse, and if you need a little something more, you can do a mix of dish soap with water. You can use a sponge to scrub it, or I know some customers prefer using a squeegee. The number one recommended cleaner, if you want to do something more, is Zep Professional's Tub and Tile Cleaner, which you can get at Home Depot. And after installation, we'll also provide you with a list of approved cleaners for the bathroom project. We do advise you not to use any bleach, drain cleaner, or anything abrasive on the tub. Good luck with your new bathroom.